In this video, I'll show you how to turn any KiCad schematic into a reusable design block, so you can easily drop it into future projects with just a few clicks and save time. Let's get started. First, you'll need a completed circuit. In this example, I've built a simple power supply using a transformer and a voltage regulator. I've also added the footprints for all the components. To begin creating a design block, go to the View menu, then Panels, and enable Design Blocks. This opens the Design Blocks panel on the right side. Next, right-click inside the panel and choose New Library. In the pop-up window, select Global, then click OK. Now, create a new folder to keep your blocks organized. For example, call it Design Blocks. Inside that folder, create a category for your circuit. Here, I'm creating one called Power Supply. And then click Save. Next, you can also add a short description. Then click OK. If you check the panel now, you'll see the new power supply category has been added. Now, let's save the current circuit as a design block. Right-click on your category, in this case, Power Supply, and select Save Current Sheet as Design Block. Enter a name, some keywords, and a short description for the block. Then click OK. And that's it. Your circuit has been saved and is now part of the design block library. To reuse the block in any future project, open your new schematic project. Next, open the Design Blocks panel. Now, simply double-click on the block you want to use, and it will be added to your schematic. And that's how you can turn your circuits into reusable blocks in KiCad. It's quick, clean, and saves tons of time on future projects. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.